after finishing their visit of Takhbai, the most venerable, along with the delegates, they arrived at museum in Peshawar. Peshawar was the main city, was the capital at the time of the Kushans. Peshawar served as the metropolitan of the Kushan Empire, and religiously, from the Buddhist point of view, it was very important city, and still remains of those buildings, of those stupas which were built in the great time of Kushans, are still here, lied buried under the soil, and sometimes the buildings were erected above those mounds. Most venerable Arayawangso visited this Peshawar museum. He offered blessings, Dhamma chanting, and along with all the delegates, a very powerful message to the world. And most venerable Arayawangsu also gifted a stupa to the Peshawar museum, which will remind all the visitors of Peshawar museums about the presence of the most venerable in Peshawar museum. Now it is being fixed in Peshawar museum for all the visitors and for all the delegates to come. It was all Dhamma chanting by the most venerable Arayawangso, and it was extremely powerful meditation or powerful chanting, which was performed by all the delegates who were there.
In it.
พอพูดอย่างนี้ต่อไปเราไม่กราบพระบาทที่ประเทศไทย
If we say this, you may in the future not pay respect to the Buddha's footprints.
เราไม่ไหว้ในเจดีย์นี้ไม่รู้คืออะไรกันแน่
Or someone may not pay respect to whatever inside and well kept in this JTR.
เราพักตรงนี้ไม่นิดหนึ่งพักคือพักบอกเขาว่าพักเรื่องนี้หน่อยดีต่อไป
Let's have a break about this part.
มาพูดเรื่อง
Now.
พระบรมสารีริกธาตุ
Now let's come to the second part. Most venerable would like to talk about the Buddha's relics.
พระบรมสารีริกธาตุในพระองค์นี้
The Buddha's relics in this container
มีที่มา
has origins.
แสดงทุกอย่างไม่ได้เกิดขึ้นอย่างมีการมีที่มา
This indicates that nothing comes from nothing.
พระสังฆราชพระยาณสังวรพระองค์ที่แล้วที่ได้ละสังขารไปแล้วนั้นได้เป็นผู้ประทานให้
The late Supreme
ได้ทรง
Patriarch,
ประทาน
the late Supreme Patriarch of Thailand had kindly presented this relics to Most Venerable Arayawangso.
Strong message has been delivered to the worldwide, of peace, and especially it is a milestone in the Buddhist history that Buddhism has been revived from its essence, from its spirits. It has been revived in Gandhara.
Peshawar, and the place is very charming to me. It has a lot of beauty. The landscape of the city is also beautiful with the mountains and many historic heritage sites. Particularly, people of Pakistan, you are very warm, very kind to help conserve many Buddhist heritage sites for a number of people around the world to have chance to come and visit. So I hope that this will be a great land of happiness and peace, that you can welcome a number of people from all around the world. I do hope I can visit this place again and again in the future.
We are hoping that presence of Most Venerable in Gandhara, after he left, we saw the surge in tourists going towards the religious sites, visiting the museums, delegates from all around the world. So it has been a very good example of cultural and religious friendship. Peace bell was also gifted from the Most Venerable to the museum's authorities to give a message of peace to the world. And from this peace bell, the message is clear to the world that it is a peaceful land, and it attracts peaceful people, peaceful ideas.
Okay, my name is Supatra Mastit. I'm a former minister from Thailand. I come here quite often. I have to say that many times because people here are very friendly, hospitality and safety. You might heard something that it's not safe here, but it's safe. Every time we come, we have a good experience in terms of civilization, in terms of culture. So I want everyone, especially the Buddhists, should come here, visit here. You will love it. You will love it.
Har Kala Rasha.
Rasha.
Just 1, 2, 3. Har Kala
Ha Gala
Rasha.
Rasha.